Welcome to our comprehensive guide on breastfeeding tips for beginners. Congratulations on your new bundle of joy and your decision to embark on the beautiful journey of breastfeeding. We understand that the early days of breastfeeding can be both exciting and overwhelming as you navigate this remarkable bonding experience. That's why we're here to provide you with essential tips and expert advice to support you every step of the way. Breastfeeding is not just about nourishing your baby, it's a profound act of love, connection, and nurturing. It establishes a unique bond between you and your little one, providing them with the best possible start in life. Our guide is designed to empower you with knowledge, practical techniques, and a sense of confidence as you embark on this transformative journey. We'll start by addressing the fundamentals, such as proper latch and positioning. These are crucial for both your comfort and your baby's ability to feed effectively. With our guidance, you'll learn how to establish a secure latch and find the most comfortable breastfeeding positions for you and your baby, setting the stage for a successful breastfeeding relationship. We understand that breastfeeding can come with its fair share of challenges, and we're here to help you overcome them. From managing engorgement to alleviating nipple soreness, we'll provide you with practical solutions and strategies to address common concerns. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and support is available to help you navigate any obstacles that may arise. As you and your baby establish a breastfeeding routine, we'll guide you through understanding hunger cues and creating a feeding schedule that works for both of you. Additionally, we'll explore the numerous benefits of breastfeeding, from boosting your baby's immune system to promoting emotional connection and bonding. Taking care of yourself is crucial while breastfeeding, and we'll emphasize the importance of self-care throughout this guide. We'll share practical tips on maintaining your physical and emotional well-being, as well as building a support system of loved ones or seeking professional assistance when needed. Our guide will also address common questions and concerns you may have, from pumping and storing breast milk to breastfeeding in public and introducing solid foods alongside breastfeeding. We want to ensure that you feel informed, confident, and empowered as you navigate the various aspects of your breastfeeding journey. Once again, congratulations on embracing the beautiful bond of breastfeeding. We're here to provide you with the knowledge, guidance, and support you need to make this experience as fulfilling and rewarding as possible. Let's embark on this remarkable journey together, nurturing your baby while creating cherished memories that will last a lifetime. Welcoming your little one into the world is an extraordinary journey filled with love, tenderness, and the joy of nurturing. If you've chosen to embark on the beautiful path of breastfeeding, this comprehensive guide is here to support you as you navigate the early stages of this incredible bonding experience. Breastfeeding is a natural and intimate way to nourish your baby, providing them with essential nutrients and building a strong foundation for their growth and development. However, it can also present challenges and uncertainties, especially for those new to the process. That's why we've gathered a treasure trove of invaluable tips and expert advice tailored specifically for breastfeeding beginners like you. One of the first steps to successful breastfeeding is establishing a proper latch and comfortable positioning for both you and your baby. Our guide will walk you through the techniques and strategies to ensure a secure latch, preventing discomfort and maximizing milk transfer. You'll discover how to find the most comfortable breastfeeding positions that work for you and your little one, creating a nurturing environment for both of you. In the early days, it's common to encounter challenges such as engorgement, nipple soreness, or concerns about milk supply. Rest assured, we're here to address these common issues and provide practical solutions. From effective methods to relieve engorgement to tips for soothing sore nipples, you'll gain the knowledge and techniques to overcome any obstacles that may arise on your breastfeeding journey. Understanding your baby's hunger cues and establishing a feeding routine can greatly enhance your breastfeeding experience. Our guide will help you recognize the subtle signals that indicate your baby is ready to feed, ensuring that their nutritional needs are met. Additionally, we'll provide guidance on how to establish a feeding schedule that aligns with your baby's needs while allowing for flexibility and bonding time. Beyond the nourishment it provides, breastfeeding offers a myriad of benefits for both you and your baby. From boosting your baby's immune system to fostering a deep emotional connection, breastfeeding creates a unique bond that strengthens as your journey unfolds. We'll explore these remarkable benefits, empowering you with knowledge about the lifelong advantages that breastfeeding offers. Self-care is an essential aspect of breastfeeding. We'll share practical self-care practices to help you maintain your physical and emotional well-being during this transformative time. Building a support system of loved ones and seeking assistance from lactation consultants or support groups can be invaluable as you navigate the challenges and joys of breastfeeding. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Whether you have questions about pumping and storing breast milk, navigating breastfeeding in public, or introducing solid foods alongside breastfeeding, our guide has you covered. We'll provide you with the tools, resources, and encouragement you need to thrive as a breastfeeding parent and embrace the remarkable bonding experience it offers. Embrace the remarkable journey of breastfeeding, where love, nourishment, and connection intertwine. With these invaluable tips and insights at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to nurture your little one, forging a lifelong bond and creating cherished memories along the way. Trust in your instincts, seek support when needed, and enjoy this beautiful chapter of motherhood.